Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all are well, fine, healthy, and safe at home. I hope you all enjoyed the long gap of the holidays that we have just got due to festivals. Now we have exams. As you all know, you have received the syllabus and notices, so we have to work hard and fast. Whatever work is being asked to do in the copy must be done. Whatever activities are given, please complete them and submit them back on time. And also kindly attend all the classes and study with full honesty. Okay, so today we'll be starting with a new chapter, measurement. Like last chapter we have completed about house or home, in which we have done question answers, fill in the blanks, and all the exercises. And I hope so you have drawn lovely, beautiful temporary and permanent houses also in the copy. Now, some exercises were to be done in the book and some in the copy. The question answers I have given you that need to be completed in the copy. Now, this chapter, measurement, as you can heard the name measurement, that means to measure something. Yes, so this chapter is about measuring, units of measurements, and the tools and equipments used for measurements. Okay, so how far is your school from home? Can you tell? What is your height? Who is taller? You or your best friend? Which is longer, your pencil or your ruler? What is your weight? Now, to answer all these questions, you need to measure the length, weight, or capacity of these things, like of your height, distance from home to school, and all these things. We use a standard unit to measure things accurately. A unit is the smallest value whose multiplication are used to measure length, weight, capacity, time, etc. Measurement of length. Now we have got the equipments like different tapes and all for measurement. In early time it was not there. So some different non-standard units were used for measurement. In old days, people used their body parts like hands, arms, foot or steps to measure length. They are called handspan, cubit, footspan and stride. Now you can see activity, measure the length of a backboard of your hand from your handspan and all these. You can do it on your own. The length of a body part vary from person to person. Yes or no? Your body part and your hand and your mama's hand is different. Your hand and your papa's hand have great difference. Yes or no in size? Hence, measurement by using human body parts cannot be considered as standard size. Why? Because it may vary from person to person. Some may measure that same length with 2 hands and some may need 3. So the standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of length is meter. Smaller length of objects are measured in centimeters. Smaller length of objects are measured in centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If we divide 1 meter equally, it will get 100 parts. Even smaller objects are measured in millimeters. Smaller than centimeters, millimeter. When 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, each part is called a millimeter. Okay. Now easy to remember. Mach chain dances like monkey, donkey, hen and kitten. Mach standards for millimeter. Dance stands for decimeter. Donkey stands for decameter. Kitten stands for kilometer. Cane stands for centimeter. Monkey stands for meter. And hen stands for hectometer. Okay, these all are distances measurements. Longer distance are measured in kilometer. Like small things are measured in size are measured in centimeter, very small in millimeter. Then a little longer is like, you have read in the maths? Yes or no? We read in the maths regarding the measuring of distances, then height and all. Similarly, So it can be measured in kilometer when it is too long. So long distances are measured in kilometers, such as distance between a city and a village. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer, when equally divided into parts, it will be 1000 parts and it will be 1 meter each. Ruler, tape, measuring rod are used to measure the length of an object. A tailor or a cloth merchant uses a measuring tape to measure cloth. Students use rulers to measure diagrams in geometry. You all use ruler. Measuring the following things using your ruler and write their length below the given picture. Okay. Now in the next class today we have learned about the what is the standard unit of measurement, that is meter. Then longer distance is done in kilometer, short in meter, smaller than meter, then in centimeter, and smallest in millimeter. Along with that, we also learn that in previous time, in earlier time, there was no fixed unit of measurement. So people used to use their body parts for measurements: hand for hand span, elbow till hand for cubit, foot for foot span, and steps for stride. Now you will read the chapter. I am only giving you one work to read the chapter and draw any two diagrams on page 83. Any two diagrams. You'll write the heading, the date on the blank side and just draw any two diagrams. That means any two non-standard units of measurement. Okay, what will be the heading? Non-standard units of measurements. Or you can write body parts used for measurement or units used for non-standard measurements. Okay. Now till then, study nicely and read the chapter, do the work. See you in the next class. Bye children. Take care.